Okay, here we go. Uh, we have 10 minutes time limit for one video. So, if the video exceeding of 10 minutes, so we will make another one for the next segment of this tutorial. Okay. So, so what we will do now is to connect a relay switch as the source of power of this motor. Okay, so here is the relay switch, and this is the controller or the push button switch to activate this relay operating coil or its operating coil. And this is an indicator light to give the information of the operator or the person if the relay is not on or off. So okay, so like a magnetic contactor. So like a magnetic contactor device, the difference between these two devices is this contactor device has an auxiliary contact. So auxiliary contact. So the auxiliary contact is here. So normally open. So this normally contact or auxiliary normally contact holds the line 1 current to the operating coil, so that the magnet in the coil does not disappear when you remove your finger from the switch button, which is green. So okay, let us continue. I have a diagram here. I have a schematic diagram here, but I do not want to show this on this wall because it's better to viewers or the person who want to know or who want to learn about the control circuit or the like these devices to install instead to read or what's on the schematic diagram. So it's better to follow the wiring connection. So you learn very quickly if you know the actual connection of these devices. So because the schematic diagram is a big difference between it's a big difference to these devices. So sometimes the drawing or the diagram, if you don't know how to read schematic diagram, sometimes you feel confused. Confusing to yourself. So just to follow the wiring connection instead to read this diagram. But I want to read this diagram because I make a tutorial video. So this diagram is just for me. So okay. So this other one has no auxiliary contact. So separate from, there's no has no auxiliary contact, normally open, separate from the main terminal. But unlike this magnetic contactor, the auxiliary normally open is separated from the main terminal, line 1, line 2, line 3. So okay. So like I said, has no auxiliary contact, normally open, separated from main terminal, but we will connect it as the main source of power for this motor. So we will also put indicator lights, light for information if this relay switch is on or off. So I will also use a terminal block for the connection of the wires. So that's all I can say. So time is running out. So it's only for 1,000 BA. So it's only for 1,000 BA. So you cannot use it for 2000 BA and above. So it will broken the metal part of this relay. So it will dissolve. So because the high current passing through this metal, so 1000 BA it's enough for this relay. 1000 BA as a load like this electric fan. So I cut the video for the next video.